In a video that's stirring up serious debate, Imo Ikenga Ugochinyere, federal lawmaker and member of People's Democratic Party (PDP), has raised major concern about the ongoing detention of Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. Despite multiple court orders demanding his release, he remains in the custody of DSS. Ugochinyere is questioning the motives behind his continued detention.
Even as bad as Boko Haram issue that has to do with somebody waking up because of whatever belief, killing people, beheading people, there's a heinous crime, bigger than even treason. But still, government went on negotiations at different times. Government went on rehabilitation. Imagine rehabilitating a murderer that enjoys beheading. But government still was doing it because government wants lasting and sustainable solution. Now, issues that were, triggered by injustice and unfair treatment and exclusion and so on and so forth leads to this agitation in the East. Up till now, federal government has not sit down on the table to discuss with Southeast leaders and Southeast youth. This even goes a long way to show that they don't care about what happens to the East. They don't care about us. They don't care whether we'll survive. They don't care whether we are dying or whether we're killing ourselves. In a country that today, whether you like it or not, we are the biggest investors outside our region. How many of the regions have massive investment in other regions? That means the Igbo man is one that even believes in the sustainability of the Nigerian project. That is why he can invest in a zone or a land where he does not come from. So, but just ordinarily sit down and let's find a solution. Because the root cause is also rooted to these issues of exclusion. Injustice that have spanned for decades. And the more you are alienated, the more you tell the ones that are growing that you are not wanted. And that's why you see the result to all this crisis that have brought instability. Now, instead of finding a way to calm nerves and restore it, you go about showing them, I don't care about you. So I'm using this as I'm commending the president for freeing discontinuing the treason charges against those kids. Also begging him that exercise the same constitutional provision under section 174 thereabout, and let the Attorney General issue a nolle and discontinue the trial of man. And especially at the time that the judicial system has made conclusive pronouncement at different times, Federal High Court, different court, that this trial has no legal basis. At least in these cases there have been final pronouncement, but you're still fighting and must prove that he's guilty. That means hate. That means you hate the tribe. Because there's judgments of court that have said, release him. The invasion of his house was an attempt to assassinate and kill him. Everybody saw the day the people invaded. There was no cause for that. And the people were beheaded and killed and massacred in tens. And the man ran for his life. And he did not run away or jump there. He invaded somebody's house. Just like the time those murderers from my area, in the name of politics, invaded to attempt to behead me and killed some of my family members. Didn't we flee? At the end of the day, when we were able to survive, are we going to, even if I was on bail, I should keep the head so that they can cut it off like ancient Greece. So the man have to run to survive. And then the extraordinary rendition is unknown to our law. It was a clear case of kidnap and abduction, which the court have also declared as illegal. So I've been issued there's even no trial. So why isn't Nandi still in detention? Because he's an Igbo man. That's why you have the same, another traditional ruler that is kept in Lagos prison, that the Lagos State government is trying. Because he said, if you don't stop attacking our businesses, if you don't stop killing our people, we are going to bring help to defend our place. Instead of you dealing with the hate that your people are projecting there in Lagos, that is leading to killing of our people, burning of our businesses, because we are exercising our constitutional right to either vote or choose leaders. You went after the traditional ruler who spoke in defense of their people, because an Igbo person. Other people in that same Lagos, both the traditional ruler has called for genocide against our people. None of them were charged. But he now said that if we don't stop burning this market that Igbo people are trading, if we don't stop throwing us into lagoon, if we don't stop attacking our people, that I will invite the ESN to come and defend the people in Lagos. That's what he said. And then all of a sudden, they dump him in court. They are prosecuting him, and they have dumped him in Kirikiri. That our traditional leader is still in Kirikiri for almost 3 years now, more. And not ready to prosecute him. Shawolu left him there. Because an Igbo man. So if we want to be one Nigeria, we should be honest and stop being stupid about the lies.
According to him, so there is even no trial. So why is he now still in detention? Because he's an Igbo man. That's why you had him. In the video, Ugochinyere makes bold claim that Kanu's detention is not based on legal grounds, but rather his Igbo identity. Adoko onye wu onye Igbo, onwere ife omere Nigeria. There are cases that looks like that particular, his own case, and the people are walking free. Ugochinyere argues that this is part of a larger pattern of unfair treatment and suppression of the Igbo people's rights. You don't want the Igbo people to go, and you want to continue to suppress them in Nigeria. One day na one day, one day na one day, one day na one day. And not just the case of Nnamdi Kanu. Ugochinyere also brought up another matter, concerning the traditional ruler who has been imprisoned in Lagos for speaking against violence, targeting Igbo businesses and people. This traditional ruler has allegedly warned that if the attack on Ndigbo and his people did not stop in Lagos, that they would take measures to defend their community. He mentioned IPOB, using IPOB as he invoked the constitutional right for people to defend themselves. Where is the traditional ruler today? He's in custody since then. What a country. Ugochinyere's statements bring to light deep concern about selective application of justice in the country, with many questioning whether the Nigerian government is using ethnicity as means to silence opposition and suppress dissent. When we begin to talk now, they will say, I'm Igbo, you're not hate Tinubu. The government is supposed to do the right thing. Yes, you are appointed by Anchor, but it appears to us you are trying to deceive us. I used to say it here, and I've said it severally. It's like the Nigerian government wants Igbo land to keep boiling. This place has been productive, one of the most productive in Nigeria, doing well on their own, with little government support. They want the place to boil. Buhari wants Igbo land to keep boiling. Tinubu wants Igbo land to keep boiling. Unless, or else, why haven't they released Nnamdi Kanu? This same government cannot protect people from sit at home and the troubles associated with sit at home. They cannot end sit at home. So, if they cannot end sit at home, what are they waiting for? Why are they still holding on to him? So according to Ugochinyere, Igbo people's constitutional rights are being violated. Our right to express ourselves, even to vote. You saw what happened during the election time. To choose our leaders. Nigeria has so much suppressed us. Stay with us for more updates on this developing story you are watching. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.